Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing one of LongShot's newest additions in our already awesome list of features. We'll talk about the semantic SEO feature and why it's so awesome. A total game changer. So without wasting much time, let's do this. Now, as you can see, we are on the blog editor and I've generated a little content. The topic for the blog is building the perfect gaming PC. Now, before I talk about the semantic SEO score, the feature, which you can see on the bottom over here, I'd like to talk about the semantic SEO thing. So what is semantic SEO? So semantic SEO is the process where you improve the meaning and the depth of your content for that topic. So for instance, if you're searching for SEO, the semantic keywords, including SERP, which is search engine result page, organic, etc., should be included to create a comprehensive solution. So when you're talking about a gaming PC, what are the semantic keywords or the things which should be included to create a comprehensive solution? That is something which this feature covers. About the LongShot Semantic SEO feature, when you research any topic and calculate its semantic SEO score, which is something I'll show you in just a moment, the AI suggests a score based on comparing your content with some conceptually related keywords or questions that the user asks for that topic on the search engine. So you can find these questions and keywords in the search engines people also ask and related searches section. So the score basically tells you how well your content answer the questions, the keywords and the questions. So let me show you how it works. Now you can use the feature after you generated the whole content piece, or you can use it along. So as you can see, I have only written 450 words, but for this video, let me just jump straight to it. Building the perfect gaming PC, build gaming PC. So like this is one of my topics, and as you can see, we are researching, the AI is researching. Now before you generate or you calculate the semantic SEO score, you first need to research. So it'll take its sweet time, just gotta be patient. Okay, so as you can see that the research is completed. Now what you have to do is you have to click on calculate. Now I'm not expecting very good scores since my article is not a complete product. It's not a finished product. So as you can see, it's rated D. Now D is poor, A is pretty much good. So if I click on see more, it'll show me these parameters. So these are the people also ask questions or the keywords which you find on the bottom of the page and on the section on the search engine result page. So basically, if your score is rated A, your content is written well as it answers that question basically, and the user won't need to go to a different page to learn more. So they'll get everything from your content. And similarly, if you get a score of let's see, there are a lot of D's and C's or even B, it implies that your content doesn't answer the question well enough. So there's kind of a scope and opportunity you can explore. So basically, you need to get a score rated A, which will be a good parameter to judge like your content answer these questions. Now, again, the goal of the whole thing is to provide the user with the most comprehensive solution to find all the answers in one place without searching for them elsewhere on the web. So creating a one-stop solution kind of thing. So as you can see, if I'm writing a content around this topic, building gaming PC, I should also write content about these topics. So these are like 8 topics. After I've written the content, I can again calculate the score, and we'll see how much the rating has improved. It gives you scope of improvement. It offers a lot of advantages. One of the advantages is like it helps you create comprehensive content, comprehensive solution. Apart from that, it also helps you identify your content gaps. Not only your content gaps, but also your competitors, right? So you can see on this competitor thing, these are top rated. Let's go for all. So for this question, which you can also see over here, the first one, is it cheaper to buy a gaming PC? So these are the 5 articles which are coming. Yeah. So it helps you identify the content gaps for your competitors as well. So if you fill that void, your audience will be sending relevant signal to the search engine about the content quality. Now again, another advantage which basically leads from the last point is that it helps the Google crawlers understand your content better as well. So it makes their job easier, and how they reward you is that they see your content piece as a high quality solution, which is the reason why they'll promote your content. So these are basically the content gaps you are seeing. So if you can do well in this regard, like I can see that there are a lot of competitors who are not doing too well. Maybe if you create a very comprehensive solution, you'll get a good rating. But for starters, you can work on getting A's, or at least B. A is a very good parameter. So getting A ensures that your content is quite comprehensive, and the chances of the whole thing ranking, your content ranking, improves exponentially. So this is a really cool feature. You should definitely explore. So after you've written the whole content piece, you can again click on this button. It will calculate the score again, and it will give you the revised results. So after you've done completed writing the content, just check your scores again and ensure that everything comes to a rating of A. This is pretty much about the semantic SEO feature, and it's a pretty different kind of feature. It's a new feature. Personally, I think it offers a lot of applications. If I am writing a content piece and I can see these questions as well, I can see these questions, and I'm creating content which give me a good rating, I'll expect that my content does well on the search engine. So this is a pretty handy feature. I hope you guys use it. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments on below this video, or you can reach out to us. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day. Stay awesome, stay real.